So long press the lock screen on your iPhone, and as you can see we have options to customize our lock screen, add new, and as you can see we have a lot of options here. We can add photos, emojis. I think the emojis are quite nice here, so you can choose different emojis. This is pretty fun in my opinion. Also you can add different pictures, different backgrounds as well. You can add the weather, which is pretty nice. Also you can add a widget, as you can see, from different widgets. A battery, for example. This is pretty good in my opinion. Also you can change the font of your watch style, as you can see. So you can choose different watch style. You can change the colors as well, which again, this is very nice. Finally we have something very interesting here. Also we have the earth, as you can see, with the time, and also we have the earth details here. We have the moon, details, and we have the solar system as well. So overall the customization for iPhone, it's just get better and better right now, and thanks to the iOS 16, this is pretty nice in my opinion. Again, you can choose different style, different backgrounds, whatever feels good for you, you can do that, as you can see, and I like it. So let me know what do you think, and don't forget to like the video.